Out at the house with another update. Concrete was poured on all of the porches, so we have that. And going into the house, they started with our HVAC. So you can see up here, HVAC system going in. Here's the side porch, concrete poured. And here's the back porch. We have concrete, we have Papa and the kids out planting some plants. So looking pretty good. This coming week, we're hoping our front door comes in. This right here, we have a window coming in this week, and I think one adjustment on our lighting, and then as soon as we get in the front door, we can do the exterior brick and the siding. So looking forward to that. Hopefully it'll happen this week.